John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. Today we're going to give you an update on the Hunter Biden gun trial and discuss how they lost a juror on the eve of opening statements. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos almost every day. And make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps. Today, we're going to give you an update on the Hunter Biden gun trial and discuss how they lost a juror on the eve of opening statements. As you may know, President Joe Biden's son, Hunter Biden, is on trial in Delaware on 3 felony charges related to his efforts to obtain a firearm in 2018. The trial started this week and the jury has been seated, but there's been an issue with one of the jurors which we'll discuss in a minute. Hunter Biden has denied the charges, but prosecutors allege he bought a gun and lied during a background check. The prosecutors have stated that Hunter knew he was a drug user and a drug addict at the time he filled out the form, which they say is a violation of the law. It came to light when someone was concerned he had a gun and took it from him. That person allegedly threw the gun into a dumpster, and when someone attempted to retrieve the gun from the dumpster, the police were called, starting this chain of events. Not only is this a high-profile trial, but it comes on the heels of the conviction of former President Donald Trump, who was convicted in a New York court on a number of felony charges. Hunter Biden's trial is the only time in U.S. history that the son of a sitting president has ever faced a criminal trial. At the trial, there have been a couple of high-profile spectators, and I want to get your thoughts on this. Sitting behind Hunter Biden is Jill Biden, the First Lady of the United States, along with other members of his family. If you were a juror, what effect would this have on your thought process during the trial? Would it have any effect? Speaking of jurors, there's already been an issue with one of them as the court lost them overnight. When the court opened this morning, the judge brought it to the attorney's attention that one of the jurors was dismissed overnight. The judge indicated the juror had begged to be released due to an issue with traveling for the trial. The juror indicated she lived far away from the courthouse and didn't have adequate transportation to get there. There were 4 alternates for the jury, so one of the alternates must have filled in for the dismissed juror, as there are 6 men and 6 women now seated on the jury, and they are listening to opening statements today. Alright, that's all we have for the moment. We'll keep you updated on this trial as it makes its way forward. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we put out new videos almost every day, and make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps.